This smartphone app can check your health just by scanning your face. Neurologic's Anura app uses a short recording to identify potential health problems. They're like ugly. I'm like, that's not a health problem.
Yeah, what's going on here?
They're like idiot. I'm like, really? Just from the
Like instantly? Like
just
no
from
scanning. You didn't scan.
just from the face?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you can probably tell a lot from somebody's face. They're going to look tired and they're going to look swollen. They're going to have bags under their eyes. They could have the color of one's eyeballs, you know?
Sure, yeah.
Well, at MWC this week, the Anura app was able to tell me I was generally in good health, but looking a little old. By recording my face for 30 seconds, this comes via Tom's Guide. Developed by a Canadian outfit, Neurologics. Oh, I would love to try this. Anura can test up to 30 different parameters by using transdermal optical imaging. I guess you could get temperature off of there. That being reading the activity of the blood vessels in your face. No smartwatch or fitness tracker is needed for this analysis. All that's needed for this investigation into potential health problems, not diagnosis, obviously, is your phone's selfie camera. Anyone can download the free Anura Lite version on iOS or Android, but it offers limited information. Then there's a paid version, which is not available to just pick up on the App Store. The idea is it will be bought by businesses, not individuals. So what? Doctors and stuff? In employers or insurers putting it to use to see how employees or policyholders are doing. Oh, my God. Will, you can't have that insurance policy. You're dead in like the next 3 years.
I get scanned every day when I walk in.
They're like, you're looking terrible. Can we get an updated scan on you? We want to adjust your policy. Good Lord. Why not just let us buy the thing and do it ourselves? 3.6 stars, 454 reviews, 50,000 downloads. This is the light version available on Android. Wow. For investigational use only. It's intriguing, to say the least.
Wow, it tracks your heart rate?
Heart rate, breathing, your vitals, your stress index. Oh, man, my face is looking stressed. I'm getting a...
Dude, you should try it.
I'm getting red. My meter's going red on that. I can't be downloading it right now, but I promise you I'll do it. I'll definitely do it. I'll get that baby pumping. I'll see where I'm at.
How accurate that is.
They're like, you're looking a little rough on it. You might need a little vacation over there. I'm like, consistency.
Yeah.
37 out of 37. Let's go. This is your last day, though, and Mo's not even here for you to train him. So what's happening tomorrow?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm freaking out, man.
I guess it's going to have to be Jack.
Jack?
Isn't it?
I guess so. I don't know.
We could call up Vin.
Oh, yeah.
Who are we going to train?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll figure something out. Hopefully.
Who are you going
37
with?
out there.
Nominate your person. Mo.
It would have to be Jack, right? But he's not here tomorrow.
Who?
Jack.
Are you sure?
Usually he's
Did you ask him?
No.
Well, people are not happy here. They say consistency is key. They're talking about Otis.
Yeah.
Someone's cheering for Vin. Vin might just collapse if you made him hit all those buttons. He might short circuit.
Yeah, I would think so.